Welcome to Kaleidoscope.
Good morning, it's 5:14 a.m. and we are leaving Toronto for London, Ontario for this Porsche color show hosted by one of our friends. Alright, we're here with the guys in the shark blue GT4 and the regular GT4. And there's the other GT4. My buddy's driving this for me because they're missing one of the cars for the show. So we have two GT4s, both RS and the regular. Pretty cool to see those two together. You can see the wing difference on those. Oh, we have the two GT4s lined up over here. Oh, while they're waiting outside, I'm gonna get a coffee and a little sandwich here. We just got on the 401 and very good timing. Roy is actually a couple cars ahead of us, maybe like 30 seconds ahead, so we'll catch up. What are the chances bumping someone on the highway? We left Toronto and on two separate highways, like one of the highways up here and one is down here, and they kind of just conjoin in the middle. And this is where we met after like 100 kilometers. Well, that's kind of cool, you know, we got three GT4s. Almost third one's back there. We are here. That graphite blue, some sort of orange, shark blue. We'll go over these colors later when we're all parked up. We're staging the cars, trying to put me next to the Carmine red car over there. That's Lucas's GT3. Parked up over here. This little area is kind of nice. That's Lucas's car. There's the Gentium Blue GT4, Carmine Red. I'll do a little quick walk around later, detailing all the cars that are here. But very nice space. Ruby Star 964. Everybody is wiping their car down because the rain stopped, thankfully. Oh, this guy drove from Colorado to Virginia, and then he drove from Virginia to here, so he's definitely not wiping that. But we're gonna wipe down ours. A Gulf Blue 992 Sport Classic. That's such a cute color. Welcome to Kaleidoscope. So this is basically a Porsche show hosted by one of the local enthusiasts, bringing together all the Porsche colors, either PTS or non-PTS. For example, Arctic Gray is not PTS, but the car's here. Carmine Red isn't either, but that's also here. So let's go through all of the cars in this lot, in that lot over there, and back there. Now let's start on this corner. This is a Ruby Star 964 RS imported from Europe by our buddy here from Porsche London. If you look at the interior, Starbucks, but they have these 6 seat inserts. Over here we have a mint green GT4 with PCCBs, very nice. GT4 RS style titanium tailpipes, super cool. Moving here, we have a Meissen Blue 991.1 GT3. I think it's manual. Let's see, with paint match interior, super cool. Over here, we have another manual .1 GT3 in Voodoo Blue, a Toyota color. So these guys, I think, are local to London. And this guy over here drove from Colorado to Virginia and then up here in like a day. And the color is just white. Really cool seat inserts, very nice. I can't tell if these are like Regai Meisters. Don't know how to pronounce that, but C2 Rennsport Reunion 6, really cool. And so that's mint green over there, and this one over here is jade green with steel brakes, black painted calipers, silver stitching, very nice. Jade green or lighter green, two different color names. I think they changed it recently. This one over here is an Arctic Gray, a launch spec for the GT4 RS with indigo blue magnesium wheels, PCCBs. And this owner has changed these vents over here from plastic to carbon, including these from DB Carbon, so that's a nice touch. And these little wing diffuser things, deflectors. Lots of carbon fiber, very big wing, very nice wheels. This is a Carmine Red 992 GTS with PCCBs and also manual. Very nice. There's another GT4 on the other side That's also in Carmine Red, but we'll get to there later. And this is my racing yellow GT2 RS with mag wheels, PCCBs. The brakes are standard, but the wheels are an extra option, but it's worth it.
Free color because the owner is cheap.
That is true. Free colors are the best colors. And recently I got the rear cage installed, paint matched with a giant banana in the back with harnesses installed, so that's kind of cool. And unfortunately, it is starting to rain again. Anyway, moving back over here, this is also the GT4 in our collection, Gentium Blue with a dumb bunny underneath. It's a little memorial for my rabbit that passed recently. So this car has silver stitching and everything, black wheels, black calipers, ceramic brakes, and apparently it's the only Gentium Blue here, which is kind of cool. Front and center. Was not expecting this to be here, in this location at least. Moving on to here, we have Lucas's Forest Green Metallic 992 Touring. I think he has about 36,000 kilometers on this. He drives it everywhere. Manual gearbox, PCCBs, black calipers, super tasteful. And this is a Racing Green Metallic. Used to be one of our friend's cars with a PDLS and steel brakes, but he recently sold it to this new guy that brought to the show because our other friend registered it. So he said, you know what, if you're gonna buy the car, bring it to the show. So here we are, which is kind of cool. Slow spitting and the cabin's getting wet. This 991.2 Touring is actually from America. Very cool custom decals, lightning bolt. Color's just white. Comfort seats. And it has Montana plates. With a London police officer. A stout orange GT4 RS from Virginia. All the stickers, Visec pack. Sorry. Stepped in front of someone. Black PCCBs. So you can see these are plastic here and that's also plastic. But that guy over there changed it. It's very cool. Very nice to see this car up here. PTS GT4 RS. This is a Guards Red 996 GT2. The cage, I don't know if these came from factory back then or maybe the safety requirement changed between now and then. But very cool. I think there's only 33 or 36 that came to the US and this is one of them. 997.1 GT3 RS in black with orange. Very cool. We have one of these. This is also a European import. Very cool. And a Bahama yellow Macan T. It's just really cool to see like a PTS Macan out of like everything here, you know. Mamba green Sport Turismo wagon. Taken. Very nice. These look really cool on the 911s, like Tourings and stuff, but nobody here has one. Got a Guards Red 718 Spider. Also nice, quick release front plate mount. But for me, I think if I have a front plate, especially when it's customs, you should just keep it on. What is this? Is that carbon fiber? No, it's a wrap. GT Spy. A Baltic Blue 930 Turbo with paint match wheels. Absolutely love the paint match stuff on like older cars. Even the new cars are sick. Like even for that Spider, I do like painted match red wheels. But that's a bold statement. Here we have a Sport Classic Gray C4 GTS. Very cool. I think this color is very similar to Chalk, but it is 4 times the price and it's a little bit cooler, temperature-wise cooler. Racing Yellow GT4, same color as the GT2 RS, but more bugs in the front because I wiped down mine, he didn't. Very nice. Wing risers, dirty wheels, properly driven. And this is a Grigio Telesto 991.2 GT3 with paint match badges and some sort of exhaust. What exhaust is this? I cannot tell, it's cool. Anyway, it's a Lambo color, PDK, gold wheels. Very nice. It's very similar to gray black like the one on the .2 GT3 RS on the 997 gen. But I think it's a little bit more lighter than the gray black. Oh look, Oak Green Metallic Sport Classic just pulled up. Paint match wheels, Oak Green Metallic. We'll catch up on this later in a second. Very cool. Gold badges, green. This 997 GT3 here is an American spec, Meteor Gray example, with a roll bar that is half installed. Not sure what's going on here, but it's still really cool. I get one of these. See, they kept the sticker on to show that this is a Porsche roll bar, which is kind of a subtle flex. We'll do some parking lot spotting now. Interesting cars. Jerry's GT4 is there with a new license plate. GT Silver, pretty interesting. Couple of cars here, taken with the wheels turned, photo shoot position. And here we have a Shark Blue GT4. This guy also did European delivery on it. A little Pokemon on the dash. That's so cute. I think Roy's car's somewhere here. Oh, there it is. Roy's car has a lot of bugs in the front and white wheels, and nice. What's good about this place is that they actually have Starbucks. So I got my mango dragon fruit, and they have some really cute Starbucks cups here. 96 GT2 here with the GT3 seats. I got distracted, so I didn't cover these two cars. Behind the scenes, we're doing some B-rolls of the GT2 RS. JCR, non-silenced. Let's hear this. So I think this exhaust is still valved, and he got the GT4 hips, which is actually quite nice on this car. Not many cars left. He's heading out. We're still finishing up with the 2RS. Goodbye. My turn. It's time. Behind the scenes of that thing flying with the operator. Oh, we gotta hide. A little bonus content this evening with this Rimac Nevera out here at one of our favorite restaurants. Yeah, we were just driving by and then we saw this, so we stopped. But like, look at it. A Rimac in Toronto. That's something you don't see. Kind of cool. I think that's a fixed wing. Raindrops, drop top, except this top doesn't drop. If it does drop, it's probably broken. Nice stuff.